Alright, here's a little test video of wind speed and just a little bit of information about it. I got my anemometer right here. This is the 3D printed one. This is the stock one. This one's heavily modified, a bunch of 3D printed parts on it. And this is probably what you're going to pull out of your microwave right here. It'll be very similar, maybe different colors. There'll be plastic or metal parts in here. And this is also another heavily modified one that somebody at work, they stuck their finger in and broke it. Which it seems that the black blades for some reason are more susceptible to breaking than these. I think it's because of the dye or whatever they put in these. And this is just a natural nylon or whatever. But I'm going to go ahead and kick it on and show you the fan speed. So it's about dead on. It's slightly, if I had more time to, finely adjust this, I can actually get a little more wind speed out of the 3D printed wheel than I can the stock one. If you'd like any information on what if you'd like the STL files for this, I use this at work, and it has I use it as a high-speed personal fan. You see this pushing like 28-mile-an-hour wind out of it, and I work outdoors a lot, and I use this fan, these little feet. Oh hell! I have these little feet to it, so I could adjust the angle that it comes out, that the air actually comes out, so I can tilt it up towards me. I can flip it over. I can blow up, down, whatever. These work really good as little personal fans, and I've used this is an LED dimmer switch that I got from for like a side table lamp that I got from Lowe's. It's a Levitron or whatever. If you're interested in the model number and all that stuff, that's back there. But they work really good. They blow air real quick. I use them for other stuff. Like I have one that I built a dust collector for my table saw using one of those blades. It moves a really good amount of air. Thanks for watching the little side video. Hopefully use my file and it helps you out.